Boom shakalaka, Bitcoin price doubling by Christmas is a conservative estimate plus a new pi cycle top indicator. Stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video, Bitcoin price doubling by Christmas is a conservative estimate and the new pi cycle top indicator explained. Before we get into it, like the video, join us on Twitter at the Crypto Love, and of course, subscribe to the OG Bitcoin and Crypto YouTube channel. Now, today, fear and greed jumping back up to greed after dipping into fear last week, now back to greed at 72. The overall market up 1% today. Bitcoin 109,546, Ethereum 2787, and XRP 230. Now, if we take a look at Bitcoin, price right now is dancing around previous highs. Some people are calling for another double top. Some people are calling for resistance and a bounce. Either way, until Bitcoin leaves roughly $115,000 area, it is up for debate whether price is going up or going down. But as we can see, it is above this blue line, the 21-day moving average, which is bullish in a bull run. Also, you can see there is a giant inverse head and shoulders, which if price does reach about $112,500 and breaks through there, well, that would be due for roughly $146,000 Bitcoin. But there's a lot of other stuff going on right now. We have global liquidity continuing to expand, and as it does expand, Bitcoin price generally goes up alongside global liquidity. You can see China's money printers going burr right now. This money may flow into Bitcoin and crypto if they have access to it, but most likely if China is going to be printing money, well, a lot of other countries are probably going to start doing that as well. Now, with Bitcoin price nearing all-time highs, we can see it right here based on the net realized profit and loss. There is no profit taking occurring right now, which suggests people expect price to continue going upwards. And if we take a look, this chart here is the dotted blue line is Bitcoin's actual adoption curve derived from on-chain metrics. You can see one of the few times in history that Bitcoin's price is actually lagging behind underneath adoption curve, meaning it's being adopted more quickly than the price is rising, which when it catches up, well, we could see a spike to the upside and very large price increases. This just happened, and the last few times this happened, crazy price pumps occurred for Bitcoin. Right now, the monthly RSI of Bitcoin is moving into oversold territory. Whenever this happened in the past 13 years, we saw the best times in the entire cycle in the coming weeks to months. So we could likely see another very good time coming in the next weeks to months. Right now, Bitcoin breaking out of this sideways megaphone and right now sitting above for support there. We also saw a golden cross down here on the MACD. Higher prices for Bitcoin, for ETH, and for altcoins in the next few weeks. And when the top occurs, well, historically, you don't actually need the pi cycle top. It has occurred every single time when the 200-week SMA crosses the previous all-time high. That has correlated crazily with the next all-time high. So, has not happened yet. Looks like it would probably happen towards the beginning of 2026, but definitely worth keeping an eye on to see where price will go. Now, based on where price is at now, some crazy price predictions. Looking at this chart, minimum based on the 1.618 fib would be $142,000. Coincidentally, same territory as that inverse head and shoulders. We also have this here. Bitcoin is on track for $200,000 based on this break above this channel. And if we take a look, power curve adoption, $200,000 by Christmas. And if we take a look here, $800 billion asset manager Bernstein says $200,000 Bitcoin price prediction for 2025 is conservative. I wonder if they have that in their portfolio. But anyways, that's all for this episode. If you enjoyed it, like the video, join us on Twitter at the Crypto Love. There's a playlist you might like right up there, and also check out our shorts. I'll catch you later. Have a good one. Love you. Peace.
Boom shakalaka.
If you don't think Bitcoin's going to $1 million a coin and then $10 million a coin, you're already a loser.
From now on, if you don't own Bitcoin, you're a moron.